Good morning, everybody. It's 11:27, 10 degrees outside with partly sunny skies. We are just gonna stop for a quick last half hour of the trip down here at Long Beach with Rory, and then we're gonna head back. The highways look look a lot better than when we came here. There's a lot less snow. With it being 10 degrees outside right now, it's probably pretty mild up there. I don't think we're gonna hit anything freezing. When we were coming here, it was pretty cold. I think we got here and it was 4 degrees, 3 degrees. So let's see how it is. The wave level today is high. Yesterday was extreme, and it definitely was extreme. So now we'll be able to see the difference between high and extreme.
It's salted water. You don't want to lick that.
Well, that's it. Rain kind of starting to pick up here and a little bit breezy. We're just gonna go back now. Should probably get going anyways. It's late, 11:42. Gonna go back, try and have some sort of dinner before we go back on the ferry, and then home time. That's it. 5:41 p.m. It's 7 degrees outside, and we're just loading onto the ferry now. We've been here for about an hour. We got here an hour early. We stopped at the dog park with Rory, and we stopped at the 7-Eleven for Rory. Really, with this whole trip has just been for Rory. We took him all to Tofino and that fancy place just so we could walk him on the beach.
Basically.
I don't know what ferry this is, but there's a ferry over there. There, what area is he on? She lives there. Keep going, keep going. There you go.